So whenever you get a new phone, I highly recommend getting a screen protector to go with it, just because of the scratching. You don't want that on your screen. So I always recommend getting one, and of course always prefer getting a tempered glass one, just because they last the longest and are the most durable. So in this video, I'm going to try and do the installation for the iPhone 17 Pro Max screen protector. Reason being is because sometimes the packaging instructions aren't really the best. So at least you can go to this video to install it a little easier. So just open it real quick and we'll go through the contents. Now Zagg made it a lot easier by giving us a little container you can put the phone in to basically install it without getting dust or anything on it. So that's new for them. So here's everything that comes in the box. I'm just kind of going through it. Here's all the wipes and such. So this is probably the container I'm talking about where you put the phone in. So this is kind of new for them. And basically you put this in here and install the screen protector so that it has as least chance to get dust, because of course that's what will kill a good install. Is if there's dust underneath the screen protector, you get the bubbles, and that's what you don't want. So they're kind of trying to make it so that that doesn't happen. So let me set this up and we'll go through the installation process. Okay, so as mentioned, this is completely new. So how they want you to do it now is do the traditional steps of cleaning your phone. So you take out the wipes and alcohol stuff and the stickers. Here's your microfiber. This is warranty information, I believe. So they do offer a warranty up to 2 years. Actually, that's probably the sticker, but they do offer warranty up to 2 years. So if your screen protector breaks for whatever reason, you can file a claim to get a new one. This is the lid. So we'll use that later, but let's go ahead and start cleaning the iPhone 17 Pro Max. Of course, if you have any previous screen protector, take it off. So we're going to do that now. This screen protector broke rather quickly, so it was a pretty cheap one. So we're going to replace it. So let's use the microfiber and don't use anything else. Make sure you use a microfiber because you don't want any dust or anything. And then we're going to get the alcohol wipe. This is to get all the adhesive from the previous screen protector, or just anything in general. You want it off your screen because you don't want nothing in the way when the new adhesive is applied. So I'm gonna grab the alcohol wipe here. Try not to drop it. And we're of course going to clean the screen all around, even the edges, just to get all the oil and grease and whatever may be on your screen. You want it all off. So let's do that now. Once again, just kind of want to make sure it's all gone. So get that out of there. We'll kind of let it dry a little bit, and then we will wipe again with the microfiber. Now, some do come with a sticker. This is, of course, the final bit to get the dust off. So you would use this sticker before placing it in the lid. So you would take this off and kind of just pat the screen on the adhesive side to remove any fine dust or anything that may have fallen during the drying process of the alcohol. So let's go ahead and do that now. So we just want to get all the dust off. And as soon as you're done, we're going to place it for the Zagg. This is new, so they want pull tab exposed right there. You want the screen face down on it. So let's go ahead and do that now. So they want it like that. And they say put the lid on top. Okay, so they want you to place the lid like this, down. And all you have to do now is just pull this tab to apply the screen protector. So let's do that. Like so. And now they say press on the Zagg logo for 5 seconds. And in theory, your screen protector should be perfectly installed. So let's take it out. And there you go. Yeah, it is installed. Perfectly aligned. So that's how you apply the Zagg screen protector, the most up-to-date version. Of course, not all of the models have this little container to put it in, so just keep that in mind. But the instructions are pretty much the same. You clean it, put the sticker, and then sometimes you have to do it manually. So you would place the screen protector, peel it, and then slap it on. This one, they made it so much easier with the case. So that's a lot more elegant, and I think that was pretty useful. So that's how you install a Zagg screen protector on an iPhone. I hope this helped you. If it did, let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching. Also, don't forget to register your warranty. So you have the information here. Make sure you register your product to get the warranty claims for 2 years. So you can claim a new screen protector if one breaks, and you get 2 years of replacements. So make sure you take advantage of that by registering your screen protector here.